Alright, so I got to get a videotape of the 1969 Camaro Pro Touring Resto Mod. This is the engine running. It's absolutely perfect. I'll take a shot here of the belts. I can put my hand on this engine. I don't even feel it vibrating. I mean, it is smooth. Okay, now I'm going to probably, let me go around this way a little bit. No money spared on this car. Now I'm going to walk around back, and then the owner's going to hit the gas. Let me just hear what it sounds like. It's smoke because it's freezing cold outside right now. It just has a really nice tone to it. I'm going to have him give it a little bit of gas. What a beautiful car. Just sounds absolutely awesome.